destroy my world!
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me Iman, and today I'm gonna do my first unboxing video. I'll be unboxing my new universal mount so to record overhead drawings. So I hope you guys will like this video, and the link of this product is down below in the description box, and you can check it out for sure. And let me tell you that it is of $8, and you can say that it's 499 rupees. It means 500, and it's really very useful. I have heard about it a lot, and I decided to make a video. So my old setup was really bad. I didn't like that setup, so I decided to make a new setup. So let's unbox it. So guys, it's 499 rupees, which means $8, and it's really very affordable and best for YouTube beginners who want to record from overhead or anything like craft setup or something else. It should be useful, and I hope it will be useful. So let's unbox it. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. It's my first unboxing video, you know. So guys, this is what I get after opening it, but I thought it would be in a box. No matter, we can still use it as an overhead setup, and let's open it, of course. It has good packaging. Oh, how can I hand the phone? I mean, this is circle. Oh yeah, I get it. I forgot it in the box inside, so let me take it out for you. The wire is good enough for size, and this is where we will hand the phone. Well, it's not too hard, and it has some sort of a cushion over here, so but no problem. I will assemble it. So let me skip that part of the video. So guys, this is how it looks like when I make it like this, and it has some sort of a cushion, and I have attached it at the back side of my bench, of course. So this video that you are seeing is being recorded using that universal mount, as I said. So it's really very useful, and yeah, it is able to handle 300-gram maximum weight, but I don't think so. It can maximum handle 200-gram, of course, or 250. I am using my Redmi Note 5 Pro to record, and its weight is around some sort of a 170-gram, and it's good. It is able to handle it nicely, and I'm really satisfied. So let me show you how it's getting recorded. So this is how it's getting recorded, and it's very great. I have used this as the whole, and this is a place where you can attach your bench with this. It maximum stretch is 8 centimeters, so that's very good, and it's very useful, right? When I see from up, it gets a clear recording down, and I'm really very happy with the product. It's really very cheap, affordable, and great product. So if you have any other questions, you can ask me down below in the comment section. I will answer you in maximum time, 1 day, minimum you can say 30 minutes, and I'll answer you very quick. This is very useful, and I hope you guys like it, huh? So the link of this is down below in the description box. You can check it out. So this is how we can tight and plug it anywhere we want to, and it's attached like this. Now as you can see, it's recording, and it's really very useful. I recommend you, the beginner artists or YouTubers who use any you can say arts and craft or making videos on YouTube. My old setup was really very bad. Don't buy it. So, and yeah, before I leave, I will show you a sample of my drawing, how it records from upside down for overhead setup. So stay tuned, do not miss it. Well, according to me, it records perfect. Well, there is no difference, it's great, and I want you guys to go click on that link down below and buy it. It's really very useful. And yeah, enjoy the drawing. I will not make it full, but as it's just a sample, I hope you guys will enjoy it. Yeah. So bye bye, I will see you in my next awesome video. Thank you.